We're gonna do something a little bit different today. My wife and I took a trip to Scottsdale to celebrate our 9-year anniversary. And one of those days we went shopping, but we decided to film it and bring you along. Now, I don't want to give too much information away, but what you're gonna see is the process we take from going from the most affordable stores to the most expensive. And at the end of the video, you're gonna see some different outfit ideas that I put together based off some of the items that I bought. So watch this video and I'll see you back here in 4 minutes. Guys, so we're in beautiful Scottsdale, Arizona, celebrating my wife and I's 7-year anniversary. We met 9 years ago, got married 7 years ago. Every year, we like to take little shopping trips. 2 years ago, we stopped by Austin. Last year, we went to Boston. This year, we're in beautiful, sunny Scottsdale. But when we go shopping, I use the same format as I do back home. So we start at the most affordable places and work our way up from there. So we're gonna start at my sister's closet for her. And my sister's closet has a male secondhand store kind of in the area that we'll start for me. From there, we'll go to the outlet mall. They have different stores there than they have back home in El Paso. And then the last place that we'll make our stop will be in the Scottsdale Fashion Square Mall because that's where it's going to be the most expensive options. So we want to make sure that we save money first as we build up through the shopping experience. And we're going to bring you along. So this blazer's beautiful. It's brand new, still has his tags on it. And the fit's pretty nice. However, I have to decide, do I want to spend $245 on the blazer here? But would it need to be tailored? It's very nice. Very summery look. Nice, right? if it's perfect. So that's option one. Guys, I found these awesome suit supply pants. That's going to be my last stop. Remember, however, when I tried them on, not everyone takes care of their clothes properly. And I'm not sure if they wash them, but these are no longer 34. They feel like a 32. So I got really excited when I saw these, but I couldn't pick them up. Okay, guys, we're at Tommy Bahama. Now, I'm not into the Hawaiian kind of beach look, but these jeans, their jeans are amazing. Super comfortable, super stretchy, very light, and great for the summer or spring when you have to wear denim. So I'll pick these up as well. J. Crew is one of the stores that we don't have in our outlet mall, and I try to order online, but sometimes the sizes are hit or miss. So I'm going to show you some options that I did like, starting with this nautical t-shirt. I'll have to try it on. I'm not sure if I'm going to be a medium or a large. I also, this everyday Oxford and this Bengal stripe. So a few things, I'll put a couple options together, and then at the end of the video, I'm going to show you what outfits I put together based off what we bought from here. So even though we have a Banana Republic back home, sometimes in bigger markets like this, you'll find more options. And I came across this really kind of brown camel colored linen blend shirt. It's gonna look great, similar to linen blend pants that I have on. So I'll pick this one up today. Matthew has set out 3 pants, actually what now, 4 pants to try on? 3 pants?
4 with the 2, or 3.
Yep. And some minimal sneakers and a linen dress shirt waiting for me in the fitting room. So I'll let you know how it all turns out. So what you saw in that last shot was me and that suit supply mannequin consoling each other. Because for the first time ever, I struck out at one of my suit supply shopping hauls. Which is okay, it's still one of my favorite stores, and I'll try again on one of my next trips. But I did pick up a lot of good pieces, and let's start with this first outfit. I'm wearing that Bengal stripe everyday Oxford from J. Crew that I pointed out to you, but it looked a little bit plain to wear it just with the jeans and the shirt. So I threw it on with this blazer from Brooks Brothers. Now the shirt, even though it's in Oxford, it's really thin, it's really comfortable, has a lot of stretch to it. So it's great as a layering piece. For the jeans, I picked up those Tommy Bahama jeans that I showed you in the video. This is their Antigua Cove cut. It's kind of a straight, relaxed fit, very comfortable, very stretchy, and they're very breathable. I paired it with these brown coffee colored loafers. I tried my best to match it with the color of the belt. It's really hard to match the belt and the shoes exactly, but as long as you're in the realm of the color. For the accessories, I went with my Ted Baker watch with a cream colored face and a brown leather strap. For the eyewear, I went with these square frame sunglasses from MWP. It's a brand that I just found on Instagram. Very affordable, but really nice quality for the price. It has like a bluish gray frame, brown lenses, and looks great with this outfit. So this is outfit number 1. The jeans that I picked up from Tommy Bahama, the everyday Oxford, I threw it on with the blazer that I already owned, the coffee colored loafers, and the brown belt. All right guys, so outfit number 2. This is that linen blend shirt that I was showing you in the Banana Republic factory store. And I knew I wanted to pick it up because I already had these linen blend pants. For the outfit, I threw it over this white ribbed tank top from H&M. The linen shirt's very comfortable, and since it's a linen blend, it doesn't feel itchy. I threw on those same brown coffee colored loafers with the matching belt as close as possible. For the accessories, I went with this necklace stack from Sylvia & Grant. It also has the matching bracelets. For the timepiece, I stayed with my same Ted Baker watch with a cream colored dial and a brown leather strap. Now, as far as the shirt, I decided to leave it unbuttoned and untucked to go with this outfit. But it's a really versatile shirt. You can actually button this up, tuck it in, and it'll look just as elevated. And then for the eyewear, I went with my square frame glasses from Cole Haan, brown frames, brown lens to go with the brown outfit. This is outfit number 2. Guys, this outfit has a lot of sentimental value to me. This is the outfit that I wore for my anniversary dinner with my wife. I'm wearing the white linen shirt that I got from the Banana Republic retail store. I got these express pants that are linen blend, high-waisted, wide trousers. I put them with those brown coffee loafers with the matching belt. Very comfortable. Now, most linen can be very itchy, especially when it's 100% linen, but this one is not. It feels more like a linen blend, even though it's 100% linen. Very comfortable, very stretchy. The pants itself also have a stretch to them, so this is a great outfit if it's really hot out there. Another thing you'll notice, I'm not wearing socks. I had a question asked to me in the comments, should I ever wear socks with linen pants? The whole point of linen is that it's a breathable fabric. So if you throw on above the calf socks, you're kind of defeating the purpose of wearing linen pants. So go with the no sock look. I do have socks on, you just can't see them. That was my dog wagging over there. Now this outfit looks great just by itself, but another option is throw it on with the houndstooth sport coat. This is the actual outfit that I wore to our dinner. So very versatile. You can wear it without the sport coat or you can wear it with. For the accessories, I decided to up the elevation of the watch, and I went with my Power Reserve Wilton from Bulova, brown leather strap with a silver dial. I kept the bracelets on because I just like the look. I have the necklaces on as well, but great outfit if you want to go to a nice dinner where you're required to wear a sport coat. And so for the last look, spoiler alert, I did go back and pick up that sport coat. But here's what happened. By the end of the shopping trip, I kind of had some money left over because I wasn't able to get what I wanted at Suit Supply. So after doing some research on this sport coat, I found out a few things. I'm gonna need to read right off this, and that's why I have my glasses on. So this sport coat is from a mill called Fratelli Talia de Delfino, the Portofino line. This is a very high quality Italian fabric mill in Italy. Now, these are usually made either bespoke or custom made. And the price tag that I didn't see of the original was still $1,200. The price tag that I saw from Well Suited actually said $294. Not the $254 I thought it was. I didn't have my glasses. So after doing that and researching it, there was no way I could walk away from this pickup. Now I thought I wasn't gonna have to tailor it. It was just a little bit wide on the side. Whoever was doing this had kind of the same size shoulders as I did, but probably a bigger torso. So I had it tailored and customed now to me, but I didn't pay $1,200. I paid $300. Super versatile. It's a cotton linen silk, very high quality. I've never had a coat this quite luxurious. So again, I couldn't walk away from it. The outfit that I put together are these high-waisted ivory wool trousers from Suit Supply. They're wide leg. this blue chambray Zegna shirt that I picked up secondhand on eBay for $50. I matched it with the dark brown belt. I paired them with my pebble grain Belgian loafers from Beckett Simonon. For the timepiece, I wanted to keep it a little bit more elegant, so I went with my Bulova Wilton Power Reserve brown leather strap with the silver dial. And if you want to go with the smart look, you can pair this outfit with some reading glasses. This to me is summer elegance, but because of the versatility of the fabric, you can also dress the sport coat down. In fact, look at this outfit. Using the same sport coat, because of the fabric of the material, it's really easy to dress down. You can wear it with those ivory trousers, you can throw it on with some jeans. These are those Tommy Bahama jeans that I was wearing in the first outfit. But to maintain the elevated look, I threw them on with some brown pebbled loafers from To Boot, New York. We went with the matching belt, the chambray shirt from Mango to go with the denim on denim look, breaking it up with the belt, and the sport coat. To maintain the elevation of the outfit, I went with my Bulova Wilton Power Reserve with a brown leather strap and a gray dial. What I wanted to show you with this sport coat is that I can dress it up with this outfit, or I can dress it up with this outfit. So even though this ended up being $300, not $254, it was a great find and I'm gonna get a lot of use out of the sport coat. There you go, guys. I hope it gives you a little bit of an insight of my mindset when I go shopping from beginning to end, whether I'm doing it locally or going out of town. I hope you like the outfits. Let me know what you think. And as always, thanks again and see you in the next one.